The time is now. On everything. Took my heart away from money. I ain't interested in fame. And I pray that never change. Ambition is priceless. It's something that's in your veins. And I put that on my name.
Only hope I had was selling dope. Was on my grind cause times was harder than to sell a float. My mama taught me never steal and never tellin' folks. I grew up looking up the niggas that was selling coke. Oh, I was raised by the stop sign. No religion, I was getting saved by the Glock 9. By the minute, I was getting paid like a hotline. Serving rolling, fiends was calling. We was that kind, well connected, well respected and well protected. And get accepted, was rejected, now they regret it. And get my message, wasn't signal when I was texting. The niggas I was calling was fraud and I learned my lesson. Now I move with aggression, use my mind as a weapon. Cause chances are never given, they took them like interceptions. So throw that pass, I be the cornerback. Me and Lauren, MMG gon' bring that Warner back.
My ambition. Easy to dream a dream, though it's harder to live it. They gon' love me for my ambition. Easy to dream a dream, though it's harder to live it. They gon' love me for my ambition. Easy to dream a dream, though it's harder to live it. Look, they gon' love me for my ambition. It speaks for itself. Beautiful music, painting pictures. It be
with a gangster, be my passenger in this Gotti. Low key, minus the attention off your body. Told you I'm the realest, Jason Terry. Shooting shots somewhere in this foreign sign language. I rep the block, eating up like Miami. Diamond testing these haters. I be damn, I don't see the top. By myself on this escalator. Even though you say you won't, I know you will. Look at this here. Fiesta Stone, fuck a pool. I make my wrist clear. Long hair staying, and somehow they keep calling. Michael Jordan flight time. Somehow I keep balling. Everyday vacation time. Colombians feed a nigga. Hope them people off today. I know the hood gon' need a nigga. Me and Wayne be on the same flight. They told me $1 million minds known to think alike. I ain't a player, I'm just playing the game. And while you at it, baby, blow out your brains.
I tell her, now down, pop that pussy for a real nigga. I already know that life is deep, but I still dig her. Niggas is jealous, but really I could care less. I'm in Hell's Kitchen with an apron in a hairnet. Devil on my shoulders, the Lord is my witness. So on my Libra scale, I'm weighing sins and forgiveness. What goes around comes around like a hula hoop. Karma is a bitch, well just make sure that bitch is beautiful. Life on the edge, I'm dangling my feet. I tried to pay attention, but attention paid me. Haters can't see me, nosebleed seats. And today I went shopping, and talk is still cheap. I rock to the beat of my drum set. I've been at the top for a while and I ain't jumped yet. But I'm Ray Charles to the bullshit. I jump up on that dick and do a full split. She just started to pop it for a nigga and looked back and told me, baby, it's real. And I say I ain't doubt you for a second. I squeeze it and I can tell how I feel. I wish we could take off and go anywhere but here, baby, you know the deal. And she bad, so maybe she won't, but shit, then again, maybe she will. Yeah, do it for the realest niggas in the fucking game right now, she will. Yeah, do it for the realest niggas in the fucking game right now, she will. Maybe for the money and the power and the fame right now, she will. Do it for the realest niggas in the fucking game right now, she will. Yeah.